Hello, so today let's talk about division of fractions. So this first example here, I have a 1/3 divided by a half. So the rule goes, we keep our first term. We change the operation of division to multiplication and you flip the second. So keep the first term, change division to multiplication, flip the second. Now that we've done that, we're going to apply our multiplication of fractions. So we always ask ourselves, is there a number on top that will reduce with the number on bottom? No. So because 2's prime and 3's prime. So I'm going to say 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, and that's my final answer. Now let's come over here and look at this other example I got here. I got a whole number divided by a mixed number. So we got quite a bit of stuff going on here. So there's a couple of things I want to do first. I'm going to put a 1 underneath the 3. You don't have to do that, but just sometimes if you're a visual learner, this will be helpful. Sometimes, some people. Okay, so the next thing is I want to turn this mixed number to an improper fraction. So improper fraction, the rule to convert from the mixed number to it is the denominator does not change. So just go ahead and bring it over there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, denominator times the whole number, which is 6 times 1. And that gives me 6. So we can put equal there, equals 6. And then we take that number that we got from denominator times whole number and add it to this old numerator. And that gives me my new numerator. So I got 11. So now I got 3. And again, some visual people will want that 1 in the denominator. Divides 11, 6. Now let's apply that rule. Let's apply that keep the first, change the operation, and flip the second. So now I get 3 over 1 times 6 over 11. And again, here we go. We ask ourselves, is there a number on top that I can reduce with a number on bottom? Well, the numbers on top is 3 and 6, and the number on bottom is 1 and 11. So now 11's prime. It won't go, you can't reduce with the 3 or 6 with that. So we're going to multiply. 3 times 6 is 18 over 11. So we're going to do an extra step here. I mean, this is my final answer. It doesn't reduce. It's an improper fraction. However, we can convert this back to a mixed number. So let's do that. Let's come over here and do it. Again, the denominator is not going to change when we do this. And then we're going to try to find the whole number. So what I'll do is ask myself the denominator times what will get me close. It's not going to equal it because if it did, it would have reduced to the numerator. Well, the numerator is 18, right? And the denominator, let me put it in the place of the denominator, is 11. So 11 times what gets me close to 18? Well, 11 times 2 is 22 and we busted. So I'm just going to say 1. So 11 times 1 is 11. So then I'm going to come over here and take that numerator and subtract it by the denominator times that whole number. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my mixed number is 1/7/11. Thank you.